How do you use the Fleshlight renewing powder? How do you use Fleshlight renewing powder? A really good question, and it's really simple, quick and easy. So we have a Fleshlight masturbator here. You've just cleaned it, but over time it might become sticky or not the same material it once used to be, and that's where the Fleshlight renewing powder comes in. Here we have the Fleshlight masturbator itself. Now over time, as mentioned, it becomes sticky, but by using the Fleshlight renewing powder, it helps the material stay softer and fresher for longer. Here's the inside of the sleeve turned inside out. Again, very simple and easy to do, just simply sprinkle. And then, as mentioned earlier, very simple. Make sure everywhere on the inside gets an even coating just by using your hands and distributing it all along there. Then, once you're ready, simply pop it back inside to the normal. And then you can continue on the outside, and once it's all done, feel free to pop it back in the case, and that's how you use the Fleshlight renewing powder.